Good morning, Ollie.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, Ollie?
I am good, teacher. What about you?
I am also good, Ollie. Did you do your homework?
Yes, I did my homework, teacher.
Great, let's check it together.
Can I ask a question, teacher?
Of course, you can ask. Question anytime.
I don't understand this maths problem.
No problem. I will help you with it.
Thank you, teacher.
You are welcome, Ollie.
What are we learning today?
Today we are going to learn science.
I love science subject, teacher.
Oh, great. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
That's great. But why do you most like English subject?
I really like English because it is an international language.
Great, Ollie.
What is your favorite color, teacher?
I like green. What about you?
My favorite color is yellow and blue, teacher.
Those are vibrant colors.
Thanks, teacher.
It's time to break, so you should to go for physical activities.
Sure, teacher.
What is your favorite food?
I like to eat pasta.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like to eat mangoes. Can you read a story today, teacher?
Of course, we can read story later.
I love stories.
It is a great way to learn.
I want to be a teacher, like you when I grew up.
That's a wonderful dream.
I will work hard for it.
I believe in you, Ollie.
Thank you for being the best teacher.
Thanks for watching.